Let's select the cube, and type S to scale. Shift D to duplicate, and S to scale the duplicated cube. Let's add hair particles. Render as objects, and choose the duplicated cube. Go to Source and select Volume. For the duplicated cube, let's add a random emission material. I'll share the full nodes shortly. Here are the nodes. Ctrl A to make instances real. We can select and remove two original cubes. Select all the particle objects, and M to put them in a new collection. Let's create a curve circle. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please don't forget to click the 3D button. Select the camera, and press Alt-S to move the camera to the 3D cursor. We need follow path and track to. We'll also need an empty object to track to. Click Animate Path. Adjust the camera's focal length any way you like. Play the animation to see the glittering spinner. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.